To create an integration with Workable, begin by opening the magic link. A pop-up menu will appear. We must select Allow to proceed. This will prompt us for a subdomain. To acquire the subdomain name, go to the Workable section and click on the URL tab to retrieve the URL. Copy the segment before workable.com. Next, move to the Magic Link Setup section and insert the subdomain. Follow this by clicking on Connect. The system will then ask for the API key. Return to the Workable ATS section and access the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Integration section and then scroll in the page that opens until you reach the API Access Token, where you'll click on Generate Token. When prompted, input a token name and select the suitable expiry time. Then, choose the appropriate list of scopes, which should include all available scopes. Click on Generate Token. Remember to save the token on your local machine. Copy the token you just generated, head to the Integration section, and paste the token in. Click on Connect to finalize the integration. As demonstrated, the connection is now successfully established.